Are you looking to create more effective logos? If so, stick around and watch this video to find out my top tips to create a more successful logo design. What's up designers? Welcome back to Digifrog Designs. If you're new here, I'm Matt Roberts, brand identity designer and illustrator. When starting on your logo design journey or are looking to hire a logo designer, knowing what makes a successful logo isn't easy. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 mind-blowing tips for a successful logo design. Before we get started, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We post new videos every Wednesday helping you become a better designer. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see from future videos. Let's get to work. Tip number 1, a logo must be memorable. If someone can't remember the logo, how is it going to help a brand or business be recognizable? Even from the very first time it's seen. The goal of any logo is to create a bond with a customer and spark an interest in the products or services offered. Logos that are easy to remember produce a stronger impact and help them stick in customers' minds. Even though you want the design to be memorable, you still need it to be unique to help communicate the brand visually and stand out from the crowd. A simple test that can be done to check the memorability of a logo is to show someone the design for a few seconds and then see if they can roughly sketch it out. Tip number 2, keep it simple. This is one of the easiest ways to make a logo memorable, but one of the hardest to achieve well. If you take a look at any of the leading brands around the world, you'll see that the devil is in the detail. Simple logos are often the most versatile, meaning they can be used in a larger scope of applications without compromise to the design. The simplicity allows for the consistency. Apple, Nike and Adidas, to name a few, have a simple, memorable logo that have been simplified over the years. Tip number 3, logo designs must stand the test of time. The best logo designs stand out from the crowd because they remain relevant and timeless over the years. It's essential to make sure you don't follow the latest design trends, as it might fit with the times now, whereas next year it might be out of fashion. This will make your logo look dated, which is why its best option is to create a logo that's unique, that represents a business and its target market. That's not to say don't be inspired by these trends. The design can be styled and tweaked over time to reflect what's in fashion, but the core design should be like fine wine and get better with age. Look at McDonald's and Coca-Cola. They have largely remained unchanged for decades with only a few minor tweaks. Tip number 4, a logo must be versatile. So let's say you finish your latest design and it looks amazing on banners and signage, but when it comes to use on the website, social media or any other small marketing collateral, it just doesn't work. When designing a logo, it's important to understand how and where the logo will be used. For example, a bespoke pet accessory store. The logo will need to function as stitch tags, embroidered, business cards, websites, banners, and even packaging. It needs to function from small to large applications, so you need to test your logo designs to see how they perform in a variety of sizes. There's a quick test that you can do, and that's to zoom out on your design all the way and see at what point it starts to become unrecognizable and just a blob. If it's still recognizable small, then great job. If not, you need to see what can be done to improve the versatility. When making it versatile, it doesn't have to be the full logo. You could create a responsive design that has different lockups for different applications. Tip number 5, a logo must be appropriate. This is another tip that sounds obvious, but it's surprising how many times it gets overlooked. Logos need to be appropriate for the market they're intended for. Appropriateness comes from form and function. Logos need to be appropriate for the market they're intended for. Input from the client, research, our own instincts and intuition can help guide the direction to find an appropriate solution. This will make a dramatic effect on how the logo is perceived. Thanks to everyone that's made it this far. So, I know I said there's only going to be 5 tips, but I thought I'd add an extra bonus tip for good measure. And that is, choose colours wisely. Here are a couple of reasons why colour is important in logo design. Colours have massive impact on how the logo will be perceived. Psychology and colour plays a big part in what emotions are triggered, and these need to be considered when designing, as they may give the wrong impression of the brand if not considered wisely. The second is a good logo works in full colour or single colour applications. So, there we have it. That's my 5 top tips for a successful logo design. Thanks for watching designers. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button, give it a like, and also don't forget to ring that notification bell so you get notified every time we post a new video. Let us know your tips for successful logo designs in the comments below. And don't forget to shop the merch. Link in the description. Create more successful logo designs.